The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for the Hermit's Peak Gas Canyon burn scar in northwestern Mora County in northeastern New Mexico until 5:30 p.m. MDT. At 2:37 p.m. MDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Hermit's Peak Gas Canyon burn scar. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will impact the drainage areas for the tributaries of the Mora River, including Coyote Creek, Sierra Ditch, Canoncito Creek, Encino Creek, and Rio La Casa. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Hermit's Peak Gas Canyon burn scar. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Hermit's Peak Gas Canyon burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mora, Pullman, Chacan, Cleveland, El Turquillo, Guadalupe and Luceras. Precautionary/preparedness actions. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams and ditches in the Hermit's Peak Gas Canyon burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter floodwaters, climb to safety. And let Lung 3610 10544 3614 10540 3618 10529 3615 10521 3606 10520 to 3602 10520 to 3596 10530 to 3603. 10,549 flash flood. Radar indicated flash flood damage threat considerable.